I'm looking at the Wesco Cordless Detail Sander with dust collection. Now I shall open it up and get it all out, and then I shall put it on charge, and then when it's charged up, give it a good try out. That's the manual. Dust collection bag. What we got here? That's some sanding pads. That, I presume, is the power supply. Yep. The battery. That's the sander. And it's opening up. Oh yeah, here's the battery, or battery charging unit. Anyway, I'll have a good read through the manual, put it on charge, and then I shall come back and give it a try out, see how it goes. Right, I've now charged the battery and fitted it on. That just slides on to the side. Put the dust bag on it, and it comes with a selection of papers. There's 60 grit up to 120, 60, 80 and 120. I'll put a 60 grit on it. This is a Velcro's fitting, so it's quick application, quick change. Got the feature on here which releases that. Mind you, I should releases that. I should make sure that's out first. For extended. And locks back down. I've got a bit of wood here, let's give it a go. Buttons are on the front. Just a 1-speed, handheld. Done a good job of that. Little bit of dust from there, so it's not sucking it all in. Let's try the extension. Some fine sanding. That seems to work quite well. Put that back in again. It's fairly comfortable in hand, but I shall give it a bit more work and come back with my review.